Hey everyone! Welcome back to Money Mastery, where I help you take control of your finances and create a life you love. Today, I'll show you 15 side hustles that helped me earn over $1,000 a month, and they can work for you too. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big goal, or just create extra income, there's something for everyone. So let's start without wasting our time. First up is becoming a virtual assistant. If you're organized and good at tasks like managing emails or scheduling, this side hustle is perfect. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to start, and you can earn $15 to $25 per hour. Love writing? Many blogs and websites need writers. You can earn $50 to $200 per article depending on the niche. Focus on topics like tech, finance, or health to get paid more. Reselling thrift items is a fantastic way to earn. Visit thrift stores, find hidden gems, and sell them on platforms like eBay or Depop. I made $200 in a weekend flipping items like vintage jackets. Graphic design is another profitable freelance gig. Tools like Canva make it easy to create designs, even if you're not an expert. You can charge $50 plus for simple projects like social media templates. Businesses need help managing their social media accounts. This can pay $300 to $1,000 per client per month. Focus on offering growth strategies or content planning. With print on demand, you can create designs for t-shirts or mugs and sell them on platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. You don't handle inventory, it's all done for you. Sell digital products like planners, templates, or printable art on Etsy. Once uploaded, these can generate passive income. Online tutoring is great if you're good at subjects like math, English, or even coding. Platforms like Preply or Wizant allow you to charge $20 to $30 per hour. If you have expertise in areas like fitness, photography, or finance, consider coaching. I earned $300 in a month by offering personalized finance coaching. YouTube is a powerful platform for sharing knowledge. It takes time to grow, but once monetized, ad revenue can become a great source of income. Promote products you love and earn commissions through affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. I made $50 in a week recommending finance tools. Turn your knowledge into an ebook or course. This is an excellent passive income stream, and it can scale as your audience grows. Delivery apps like DoorDash or Uber Eats are flexible ways to make $100 or more weekly in your free time. Love animals? Sites like Rover let you earn by caring for pets. It's a fun way to make money while doing something you enjoy. Apps like Swagbucks or Amazon MTurk are great for earning small amounts during downtime. While not high-paying, they're perfect for easy, quick tasks. Those were 15 side hustles you can start today to earn $1,000 or more per month. Remember, the key to success is consistency and learning as you go. Try a few of these and see which one works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments which hustle you're excited to start.